Let's see the last question of the essay section for today. This question is a part of the set. We've already seen two questions based on the same data. What we are doing today is seeing the third question. This was asked separately and not as a set in the actual exam. So the data that is given, I'm not going to go through it. You can probably have a look at one of the previous videos. But we'll directly get into the question. Question says, in company F, the lowest company F, the lowest possible sum of the ages of all the employees. If you read your data properly and you understand, or rather remember or understand the data that is given, you know that everybody is stacked in an ascending order or descending order. Ascending order, A, everybody in A is at the bottom, then goes to, then we have people from B, then C, then D, till all the way till H. Okay. Now, we need to minimize the sum of the ages of the employees of company F. Now, company F has how many? Company F has 29 employees. 29 means 14, then a 15th guy who is the middlemost guy, and then there are 14 people. So, if I have to think about it, basically there is a guy here in the middle, and then there are guys here. So, there are 14 guys here, there are 14 guys here, 28, and the middlemost guy. Now, the middlemost guy's age, we know it exactly, which is 54. So, this guy is 54 years. So, there is nothing like minimizing and maximizing. That guy has to be counted for 54. Okay. Now, to minimize this group, okay, what is the minimum possible age of company F? Minimum possible age of company F, you understand, is one more than the median of the previous group, right? Which is the median of the previous group is 49, which means here the minimum age is going to be 50 for all these people. And in the next group, the minimum, see, maximum age is one less than the next group, which is 58. But we don't have to maximize, we have to minimize. Because we want to minimize, I'm not going to think more. I'm just assuming everybody has 54 only. Okay, all of them are 54. Median will still remain 54. Right? Because I want to minimize the total number of ages. That's about it. We are done now. Just let's multiply and get to the total. So 14 into 50 is 14 into 100's half. So 14 into 100 is 1400 and half is 700. So 700 is basically the total of this group. Then we have 14 into 54 and a 54. So effectively 15 into 54. So 15 into 54, I would think of it as 10 into 54, 540. And 5 into 54, which is nothing but actually half of 540, right? Half of 540, I know 54's half is 270. So that's about it. So this is 0, 4 and 7, 1 and carry 1. So 8, 8 and 5, 13 and 2, 15. So yes, the total sum of the ages of all the possible employees of F minimum value is 1510. So yes, slightly tricky, I would say slightly tricky, not very undoable. Again, if you know your median concept very properly, you should have solved this question also. You would be able to solve this question. So yeah, this brings us to the end of the essay section. I will see you next time with the video solutions of the MCQ section of Indore 24. Till then, prepare well. All the best.